Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have some really fun bee Dollar Tree DIYs and finds. It's perfect for a tier tray. The first one I found is this little Be Kind, Be Sweet, Be Humble little box that lights up. It's white and brown already, which goes with my color scheme, but I thought that the bees should be gold. So I'm just using like a yellow color paint pen and just sketching those out. Super easy, really didn't have to do much to this one, just add a little bit of color. We're just going to turn this on, make sure that it works, and I love a good light up project like this for a B tier tray or any kind of tier tray. Super cute, just a few little details. The next find, I actually got this at the Target dollar spot, a little gold metallic bee. It's kind of perfect as is. I didn't have to do anything to this, but I think it's going to be a great little like trinket dish that I can also add to that tier tray. For the next idea, I found one of the little honeycomb bee candles from the Dollar Tree, and I thought we could DIY a super rustic little candle stand for this using some of the Dollar Tree wood slices and the wood stems. I love these for crafting. I think they're so much fun, and I think the rustic look would look great with like the bee theme. Now for little legs for our candle stand, I was going to use some of the Dollar Tree wood stems, just trying to find 3 of them that are about the same height. As you can see, they vary greatly. But I think I found 3 that will work. I'm just going to attach them with hot glue here to make 3 little legs. I think that's going to be plenty. They're kind of short and flat like that. And then I'm just going to add the little honeycomb candle to the top. Super easy. I just add some hot glue to it to make sure that it sticks. If you wanted to add, like, if you weren't going to burn it, you could also add like some little bees to it as well. But a cute little honeycomb bee candle. I love crafting with those little honeycomb candles like that from the Dollar Tree. They're so much fun to decorate with. The next little bee DIY, I'm going to use one of the Dollar Tree bee yard stakes, and just using some pliers, I'm just going to pull the stake off the back of it. And we're going to add this as a decoration to the top of the tier tray. It's going to make it kind of look like a bee is flying away. Just making sure that I got all of the wire off of that. Had a little bit of a rainbow going on there on the wings, and I wanted it to be a little bit more gold to go with the gold DIYs that I made for this tier tray. So I just added some gold acrylic paint to my wings, tied some twine around the center of it so that I can tie it off on the top of my tier tray to kind of make it look like it's flying away from the bee tier tray like this. This is how it looked without all of the items added to it, and this is how it looks like with all of the fun bee DIYs. If you'd like to watch the entire video, I have it over on my YouTube channel, and I also have lots of other bee crafting DIYs as well using supplies from the Dollar Tree. If you'd like to check that out, it's Crafty Beach on YouTube, and until next time, happy crafting!